Welcome. My name is Thomas Lefford. I'm here to share in this video 7 things that I do inside my business to help start and grow and build a business for myself. And we have to talk about the tax preparation industry. So if you're new to tax preparation, you're looking to transition over from working for a company to starting your own business. That's what I specialize in doing. I help people make the transition over from working for a company to starting their own business. And I also have a partnership program for people who want to do the same thing, but want to do it with a partner, have someone who's going to have the training and support they're going to need throughout the tax season, that's going to give them a reassurance that everything's going to be all right, because you got somebody well seasoned and knowledgeable and experienced with insight that's going to be able to help you deal with whatever challenges that may come your way. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notification. If you'd like to see a particular topic or form or schedule or even a similar type of tax return being done, I use Drake software, and so I would do tax returns inside Drake. So if you had a scenario where you had a situation going on and you want to see how I would do it, leave me in the comment section. Leave me the pertinent information I would need in order to be able to do that, or reach out to me in such a way where I can get the information needed to be able to put that training in place in my Drake software. And so, like I said, this video is going to be 7 points that I use to help me to grow my business. And these points you can use basically to help you in any business, regardless if it's a product or a service, just business in general. These 7 points I believe will be helpful in helping you start your business. So if you're new to the industry, you're ready to, this is going to be your first season in 2020 as a tax pro, being your own boss. And I just hope plenty much success to you and your family. If this is new for you, getting started from the business standpoint, congratulations to you for making that leap, making that jump and getting started. And plenty much success to you all. And so again, inside this video, we're going to touch on 7 points that I think was going to be helpful to help you grow your business. They're simple points, but they're important points, and you must be consistent with these points that we're going to talk about inside this video to help you to start and grow your business. And so the first simple point is letting everyone know that you have your own tax business. All your friends, families, haters, co-workers, everybody who knows of you, let them know, hey, I got my own tax business started. And if you don't have someone that you're going to already, would you please think about giving me your business this upcoming season? Really like to work with you and give you a chance to show you what I do and what I'm about and how I can help you. And then you give them one of your business cards or one of your flyers or both, and you just keep it moving. You pass out your business cards, you pass out your flyers to everybody that know of you. Put them inside their hands if you can. Once you tell people you're already in the industry, they're going to ask you a whole lot of tax questions just to see if you know what you know. And so one thing I let my clients and my students know is never give an answer to a question that you're not confident about, trying to please the client and trying to please your ego. Because if you give out information that's erroneous and bogus and the client uses it and it gets hurt in any way, then you can be liable for that. So don't give out any information on something you know you're not clear about in the first place. Don't do it. The second tip is join social media groups and forums that's related to your industry. I'm on Facebook. There's a lot of different groups you can join in the tax preparation industry, in the bookkeeping industry, you know what I'm saying? And these groups will help you to get an idea of some of the things that they're doing to help grow their business and some of the topics and issues that's going on from tax professionals that's seasoned as well as new, who get started year after year in this industry. You get to get some insight on that by joining different social media groups like I do. And so you definitely want to make that happen for yourself. What I also started to do now for clients who want to take my course, I give them a 2-hour free mini course before they make an investment to let them see what this tax preparation course is all about, and let them get to see if this is a good fit for them before they make an investment into paying for my course, just to find out after the fact that this wasn't what they thought it was going to be, or this is what they weren't able to wrap their mind around it, and then now they made an investment, and after the coming to my course for over 2 days, there's no refund. So I want to make sure that you get a head start on what's happening with this course and what it's going to take for you to succeed. I give you a free 2-hour mini course, and that's what I implemented now before people make a purchase decision as far as taking my course. And so, that's just a guideline that I use. You have to choose if that's something you want to be willing to do or not. That's on you. Well, that's what I do to help grow my business. The fourth point is offer free trainings, some kind. It can be a video, newsletter, checklist, something on a topic they may be interested in, and be willing to learn something that they don't know, and be happy to learn something new. And so those are some of the things that will help you to build relationships with people and help you to build potential clients. Because once you can show them you know what you know, and you got their best interests at heart, and you're willing to give away something for free in the form of educating them before you ask them to be a client, is very important. And so that's a strategy that works very well with me, and that's a strategy I can use across the board in business in general. And so that's something I would say, give it a try, be consistent with it. That's what I would do. The next point would be attend networking events in your area, build relationships with like-minded people, learn and grow and build partnerships. And also, you can market for each other businesses. So, y'all can co-market for one another. That's a good strategy that works, so you might have somebody who in the industry that might complement your industry. And so y'all get together, y'all connected, y'all vibing with one another, y'all decide to network and co-market with one another to help each other build their businesses. Another powerful strategy that can pay off with hundreds of thousands of dollars if you do it right and you do it consistently for the long term. And so I also have a referral program for my clients where they can make $25 up to $50 per referral from each client that they send me that I get paid from. It's how that program works. And so that's some of the things I do. I basically have a career training program and a partnership program that both have affiliate commissions attached to it. So for people who bring in other clients who take my career training program or my partnership program, they get a fee for that. And so those are some of the incentives that I use to help build my business real quickly by letting people know that, hey, other than on top of you learning this awesome skill and learning how to operate a business, you also can make some additional income just from referring people who are already interested in either learning this skill or, and especially ones who look to make a career out of it, is where the long-term growth and money will come from. Is the key to that. So I give a mission on that for people who bring me clients who want to take my program and learn and start their own business and make a career out of it as well. And then point 7 is start thinking about specializing in something that will establish you as an authority figure in the industry that allows you to charge premium prices. And so that would be something I would really consider as a new person right now, even thinking about that right now for myself in 2020 and beyond, specialize in retirement planning and strategies, which are going to help me to build my business when it comes to investments, as well as people who need retirement plans and strategies in place. So when they get ready to retire, they'll have some money growing for them where they won't have to retire and go back to work because they had a plan put in place and they stuck to the plan. They was faithful to their plan. They was disciplined to the plan. And so now when retirement comes around, they well off because they have a nice nest egg that has built up over years that they can utilize where they won't have to change their lifestyle because they're no longer working. And so that's the biggest issue with people who don't have a retirement plan in place, who don't have any money put up anywhere at all, is that when they retire, they have to downsize their lifestyle because the income that they used to have, they no longer have it. And so now they're not able to keep up with the lifestyle they used to have because they didn't have a retirement plan in place. They didn't have a income growing strategy at all. And so now they forced to work for Amazon and Walmart, drive Lyft, and do some other things to make ends meet because they failed to plan. And so don't be like that. You know, if you're blessed to retire, have you some money growing for you so when that fateful day comes, you can keep living the same type of lifestyle that you was living when you was working. So if you used to take vacations and traveling every year, you want to still be able to do that when you retire. If you used to giving and being a part of different clubs and organizations and being a part of something good in your community and helping people, you want to still be able to do that when you retire, because now you have enough income at your disposal where you can keep living the same type of life you used to live now that you retired. And so that's really important. So again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you'd like to see a topic done, or a form, or a schedule, or type of tax return done, I use Drake as my software. Like I say, reach out to me with my contact information, and I can walk with you through that and take down some information I need to make that training happen as far as preparing a tax return for you, or as far as going over a form or a schedule in detail, showing you how to fill it out and things of that nature. That's what I help do on my channel. And so good luck for you in 2020, and may you have a prosperous year with you and your business. For all the ones who new to get started in this industry, good luck to you, and I'll see you in my next video.